In this lab, we will dig deeper into the individuals by splitting the data into groups. Example with age ranges and genders. We will try to plot the heat map. So let's calculate value counts and sort by index age. df.age.value underscore counts open and close bracket dot sort underscore index open and close bracket. So that does the value counts of age, but then sorts the index into ascending order. So we see 15 age starts from 15 and goes up to 99. And the lower age has high value counts. Okay, so age mean is not defined, so we must have let age ranges equal array of tuples 18, 30 and 30, 60 and 60, 100. Let genders equal array of 0, 1, assuming gender is binary 0 or 1. Let treatments equal array of category crime, category weather. Initializing empty data frame to hold Kate conditional. Kate is conditional average treatment effects. Conditional average treatment effects. So let Kate impact df equal pandas dot data frame of columns equal bracket age mean, age max, gender, treatment, and Kate. Let's print the Kate impact df. So Kate impact df is the empty data frame containing 5 attributes: age mean, age max, gender, treatment, and Kate. So Let's loop through each age range and gender. For age min, age max in age ranges. So age ranges is the array of the tuple of age min and age maximum. Let's print age min, age max, and let's put a new line. So for the first tuple, the age min is 18 and age max is 30. For the second tuple, age min is 30 and age max is 60. For the third tuple, age min is 60 and the age max is 100. Let's look at the last age range, which is from 60 age min and age max is 100. So printing age min and age max gives 60, 100. Let's look at df and z dot location bracket df and z age dot between age min, age max. So this should print all the rows which has age between 60 and 100. So it gives 487 rows and 65 columns. Let's look at the rows between minimum age 30 and maximum age 60. So this gives the data rows for all the age from 30 to 60. And there are 361 rows and 65 columns. Let's look at the first one, which is from 18 to 30. So this gives all the data rows from the data frame containing the New Zealand data information for the age range between 18 and 30. So that gives 122 data rows. And we also put genders equal array 0, 1. Let's look at this loop here. So loop through each age range and gender for age min, age max in age ranges, colon, for gender in genders is array of 0 and 1. Define the key for this subset Let key equal F apostrophe age underscore. So that's the string, and curly braces age min and underscore age and curly braces age max. Then underscore gender underscore, that will be the string, and curly braces gender. Let's print key. So for age 18 to 30 gender 0, age 18 to 30 gender 1, age 30 to 60 gender 0, age 30 to 60 gender 1, age 60 to 100 gender 0, age 60 to 100 gender 1. Let's print the gender. So gender, so the last value in the genders array is printed over here. Let in the next cell dfnz dot log square bracket dfnz of age, so that's the column age, dot between bracket age min comma age max, and dfnz of gender equal gender. So gender we have 1, and age min and age max we have the last one 60 to 100. So there are two conditions. So we are subsetting with the data frame of New Zealand where these two conditions satisfy. We can also put instead of age min, we can put 60, we can put 100 for age max, and we can put gender as 1. And let's run that. And that gives 247 data rows. Let's look at the treatment variables. There's Kate worry crime and Kate worry weather. And in DF New Zealand, the very last column gives us conditional average treatment effect of worry work and conditional of worry crime. So the very last two columns were added after. So before that we have two columns. So conditional average treatment effect of worry crime and conditional average treatment effect of worry weather. Okay, so DFNZ, so that's the data frame, dot location, so we are subsetting DFNZ with these conditions, and the conditions are put inside the square bracket. DFNZ of age dot between, say 60, and age max is 100, 60 to 100, and DFNZ of gender equal to 1, and the treatments are Kate worry crime and Kate worry weather. So that should subset the columns Kite worry crime and a conditional average treatment effect of worry weather for the phase 2 conditions satisfied for age range from age between 60 and 100 and gender equal 1. So that gives 247 data rows. Next, from the dfnz.log, so we are locating. So from in dfnz, we are subsetting the data rows with these conditions satisfied. dfnz age dot between age minimum say 60 and age maximum say 100 and dfnz of gender equal 1, comma, treatments is conditional average treatment effect of worry crime and conditional average treatment effect of worry weather. Let's reset the index. So dot reset underscore index drop equal true. And if we don't do drop equal true, then what it does, it resets the index, but the old index is set has a new column. And if we do drop equal true, if we put drop equal true, that index column has disappeared and the index is reset, and there are 247 data rows. So let's print, we already formed the kite impact data frame. So let's look at the kite impact data frame. So it contains minimum age, maximum age, gender, treatment, and conditional average treatment effect columns. Now, here we loop through each age range and gender. For age min, comma, age max in age ranges. So there are 3 ranges, colon. For gender in genders, so genders is array of 0 and 1, colon. Define the key for this subset. Let key equal F apostrophe age under. So that's the string. Then curly braces, age minimum age, and then a string underscore, then curly braces age maximum, then string underscore gender underscore, then curly braces gender. Subset data for the given age range and gender. Let df subset equal dfnz dot log. So we are subsetting df nz data frame for these conditions. dfnz of age dot between age min and age max. And second condition is dfnz of gender equal gender, comma, treatments. So treatments is conditional average treatment effect of worry crime and worry weather. Dot reset underscore index bracket drop equal true. So that is DF subset. For treatment under treatment IDX, comma treatment in enumerate treatments. So let's look at what this loop gives. Let's print treatment IDX and let's print treatment. And let's put it to a new line. Okay, so the index of the treatment is 0 and the conditional average treatment effect of worry crime, and 1, index 1 gives conditional average treatment effect of worry weather. So for treatment index, comma, treatment in enumerate of treatments, let kite value equal np.mean of DF subset I location, index location, all the rows, all the data rows in DF subset, and for column treatment index. So that is averaging the conditional average treatment effect values if there are multiple. So let's see what this gives. Let's see what this gives. Print kite value and let's put the new line. Okay, so that gives the average. Let's print DF subset of all the data rows, comma, treatment IDX. And treatment IDX is either 0 or 1. DF subset dot index location. Let's print that. So what does that give? So DF subset DF subset is this data frame containing conditional average treatment effect of worry crime and conditional average treatment effect of worry weather. So it's either first row, first column or the second column. So okay. So the first values is for Kite average treatment effect of worry crime. For age range 18 to 30. Then the second one is Kite worry weather data values for age range 30 to 60. Then the third one is for age range 60 to 100, and that's for worry crime. And the next one will be the values for age range 60 to 100 for Kite worry weather. And then we have males and female has separate as well. Okay, so what we are doing is that for each of the age minimum and age max in the each of the tuple in the array age ranges, for gender in the each of the gender in array genders, for each of the treatment in array treatments for the index and the treatment. So we are printing df subset dot index location of all the rows, comma treatment index. So that will give us how many separate data frames. So there were 3 age ranges, 3 tuples in age range, and there were 2 values of genders. So 3 times 2 is 6. And in the treatments we have the 2 treatments. So 6 times 2 equal 12. So 12 data frames altogether. Okay. So let new row equal pandas dot data frame bracket, then square bracket, then curly braces, age underscore min colon age min, age underscore max colon age max, gender colon gender, treatment colon treatment. Kite conditional average treatment effect is the Kite value. So that's the average of the values of the treatments for the conditions satisfied before. So let Kite impact DF equal pandas dot concatenate, curved bracket, concat, we write concat for concatenate, square bracket, kate impact df. So kate impact df, we initialized his, let's see what kate impact df is. It's an empty data frame that we created. So that's a empty data frame. Now this gets filled with age min and age max, gender, treatment, and the mean value. Okay, we get little bit of warning messages over here, but it's not going to affect the outcome. So we get altogether 12 data rows in this kate impact df data frame. So for each of the minimum, maximum age, gender, treatment, we have average value. Average value of that treatment. Okay, so now in the next lab we will plot the heat map.